I'm trying to share with you a certain style of life and an attitude.
I guess I could leave it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not a part I really care about very much, though. Usually I start from here. They don't name those parts. They just start it from here. And I'm like, that's there, right? Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same point right here. Anyways, we dump off of it, just like we do here. Dump off of it. And then we come back up, but not all the way, to make a low that doesn't come down all the way. So it didn't break that bottom, just like it didn't break that bottom. Then it comes back up to a new high.
See, to spread joy, you have to have it.
New high. And then it didn't do this. We talked about this earlier, that it didn't go all the way down to the new low. And I'm like, whatever. It doesn't matter that it did one thing that was wrong. You know what's funny about it? It's not really wrong. It just didn't make the extreme that it usually did. But it made the trend. Like, if you want to see how many trends it takes to go from the circle down, up, down, up, down. From the circle, we went down, up, down, up, down. Just because it didn't do this, people get their knickers in a twist. I'm like, well, why did it continue doing the rest of the crap? Because you know what I'm about to show is the rest of it. Does it not look like this? Oh yeah, it does. Basically, it goes up, and then chop, 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 chop. And we just went up and chop, 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 chop. And it's like, okay then, it's very straightforward in that regard, but maybe I can draw a little bit of a bigger one and drag it over and move this one back. But what we're left with is this pattern right here. Nuts.